Hello, my name is Brian Stacks. This is Mobile Development Frameworks 2, Project 4. Run through a quick overview of my code and show you what I've done. So I'll go ahead and show you what I've got here. I've got a folder with just a bunch of image objects. These are my movie objects. What we were assigned to do was make a movie table view app with some advanced table views with sections, headers. Do something with the headers and make it have 3 sections, at least 3 sections of theaters, and in each section it should have at least 5 movies. So I just done 3 sections with 5 movies. But these are just my images for the theaters, and this is my storyboard. Get this off actually. Back that out. Close that up a little bit. This is just my basic storyboard. It's just a table view on my view controller that segues to a detail view that will, transfer the image to over here, the labels over there. Then it also have a play trailer button and a stop trailer button. Just play the trailer of the movie and stop the trailer of the movie. We didn't have to have an actual trailer to a movie. We just had to have a static video or a video from a URL. I chose to do a static one. It's also in my image objects folder. I go over a little bit of the code. I'm actually still having a little bit of problems with mine, so mine's not completely 100%, but it is like 85%. It's all working with no errors. I'm just getting some value differences in my different sections. But got my view controller age with my data source and my delegate for my table views. I've set up some arrays, my MP movie player controller, my table views, some mutable arrays to handle my data. This method right here would be for passing data from my custom class in a segue between a segue, segued views. In my view did load method here, I create 3 theater objects for my custom object I got over here. My theater info object, and then I also had a movie info object, which are both NS objects. We come here and I create my first theater 1, 2, and 3. Then I each give them their name, their location, and their place image. Then I come and created 15 movie objects. Then I come down here and I created a theater array with my 3 theater objects in them. I created 3 arrays of movies for each theater. Then I made a complete list of all the movies. This is where I'm adding the movie arrays into their respective theaters, and this is also where I'm adding their show times. This transfer array was after. This was the array of the theaters after of just the movie info, each theater's movie info. This is the method that gives the header its height, the custom header its height. This is the method that gives the information to the, oops, sorry about that. This is the method that gives the information to each custom header, like the image, the background, the color, the font, everything that has to do with the custom header's actual data. This is how many sections, number of sections in table view. This is something I'm familiar with, the cell for row and index pass. That gives each cell, your custom cell, its data, that can transfer from the UI table view to the detail view. This is your numbers of row in section. This is tell you how many rows are in the table view. And then the done was to end a segue. And I do have a little bit of code over here. In this, got some movie player code along with my detail labels being my new current class labels, and this is my own play button as the movie player, and then my own stop. We stop the movie player and remove it from the view. I'll go ahead and run this real quick, and I'll be done with the review for this month and this class. So as you can see, we start out with just a table view with theater here, State Theater, and it's got 5 movies. Forrest Gump, you can see them, I ain't gotta read them all to you. We've also got another theater here, another section, Carmike Theater, and it's in Hickory, North Carolina, neighboring town, with 5 different movies. We've also got Uptown Theater here. It's also in Hickory. It's also got 5 movies. So, as we can see, if I can click one of these in my first section, I get that. We get the image. It tells what time, the name of the movie. If we hit play trailer, I got a static movie, but as you can see, it brings it into the nice center. I'll pause that. Well, actually, I can stop it and remove it from the super view. So you can either play it, you can play it full screen, you can bring it back down, you can stop it and remove it from super view. After you get done, you can just hit back to go back to this. As you can see, I'll hit a couple, same trailer, go back. The problem I was having was when I got into these other sections, see, it don't give me it gives me the same from the first section. So this is something I'll have to figure out before I turn it in, but I need to go ahead and get this done where I can concentrate on that. But thank you for watching my video.